Welcome to UNSW Sydney, a powerhouse of teaching and research. In Sydney, Australia's business and technology capital, we shape a generation of innovative, forward-thinking global citizens.
Knowledge and education are really important because I think you need to understand the world to know how to change it.
Students choose UNSW for our vibrant campuses.
I came up to UNSW for Open Day, where I realised the university had a fantastic student life and also had a stunning location just down from the beach.
And our career-focused teaching.
We can't predict what the jobs of the future are. So the best gift that an education can give you and an education at UNSW can give you is the ability to think critically, to think about problems holistically and collaboratively, and to have the skills in order to adapt, change and continue to innovate throughout your career.
We're all here because we have a passion and we have a drive for something bigger. And you see that reflected in the people around you. We all have a stake in what we're doing. I think that's where the real impact is, creating a more inclusive and open practice through a more inclusive and open gaze of the world.
At UNSW, the courses were structured in a way that reflect the real life applications of what we were studying.
Our graduates join a global network of alumni who are among the most employable in the world.
I'm a technical solutions engineer at Google Cloud. I was confident that I would get a very good job. It was just a matter of time.
Coming out of uni, I felt like I'd been given the tools to figure out the best ways to make a difference and get things done. As a result, those university experiences transfer into the workplace and make you feel confident that whilst there is a lot of learning to do, you can also make a difference really quickly.
Our students learn from engaging and industry-experienced academics. Our faculties and programs are world-class. Our facilities are state-of-the-art. Students are connected to industry through work-integrated learning and internships.
Companies these days are looking for students who have more than just the good grades in the classroom. UNSW has facilitated a few of my initial internships, really providing that foundation and the building block for me to build my skill set and go out and find more internships that I'm really interested in.
We encourage entrepreneurship and support students to launch their own startup. Our students excel and we support their journey.
I think UNSW is a really good space and transition into the professional workplace that comes afterwards.
UNSW really encourages students to connect with the industries that they're trying to move into. Not only are the tutors practicing in the fields that they work in, but also the assignments that you do encourage you to go and connect with the outside world.
Awarding scholarships to high achievers and welcoming sponsored students from across the globe. We provide flexible pathway programs, including diplomas, foundation studies, and English language courses. Explore more online and turn your ambition into career success at UNSW Sydney.
We'll see you on campus
at UNSW Sydney.